Hi, I'm Sasan Kesravi. It's 2 Minute Tuesday, still about 103 degrees out. These are truly the end times. And today we're talking about a resource that I use for doing preliminary research on a topic. So I thought I'd come here and we'd pick one of these topics to start researching the way that I start researching. Let's pick one that I haven't already researched, like let's say carbon pricing. So we want to know more about carbon pricing, but we don't know yet what our arguments are going to be. So what I do is I go to everycrsreport.com. The CRS is the Congressional Research Service. They're Congress's think tank. They're basically the best research service out there, and we've talked about it in one of our discussion videos. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look up carbon pricing, and you'll see that there's 21 documents. So there's 21 research papers that the CRS has written between 97 and 2018 that have something to do with carbon pricing. And since this isn't a super huge number, I might limit the years to, let's say, the last 10 years. And cool, so let's just sort of look through some of these. Cool. Carbon tax, deficit reduction and other consideration, or regulating a carbon market, climate change, blah 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 blah, evolving view on cost, competitiveness, and comprehensiveness. So what I would want to do when I come to these is I would want to open the original PDFs, and you read the summary, and then you check the table of contents basically for things that sound like they're going to be good arguments, like distribute carbon tax revenues to households. Wow, that sounds like something I want to know more about for debate. Or equity, that's always good. Economic efficiency. Many taxes have distortionary effects. I don't know what that means, but it sounds important. Or coming down here, implications for a future U.S. carbon market, regulatory issues, fraud and manipulation. These are all things that I think I should know more about if I'm going to be talking about this. So I'd read those and I'd get an idea, keeping in mind like what sorts of impacts I like to go for. Hope that's useful. Check it out. Have fun.